Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the little layered popsicle stencil set, which you see right here on the screen. You can see this stencil comes with 4 different masks, enabling you to stencil out the cutest little popsicle. There are even these detailed pieces that you can make those indentations in the popsicle, and there's an etched line which allows you to easily line them up with your already stenciled popsicle. And there's a spot to make a stick and even wood grain. This is going to coordinate beautifully with the little layered popsicle die set, and you can use this to add blended details onto anything you might want to die cut as well. You can also use both independently of each other. All right, let's take a look at this stencil in action. I'm taping it down here to a panel that will go onto a 5x7 card, and I am covering up other parts of the stencil so I don't accidentally stencil those on. So I'm starting at the top with some really bright pink ink, and then from the bottom I'll bring in kind of a teal color, and those are going to almost meet right in the middle, and we have this kind of rocket looking popsicle. For the stick, I am going to start with a little bit lighter of a brown. That way I have room to move up to a darker brown and add that wood grain detail over the top like I'm doing right here. And this is just going to bring it to life and add that little extra something special of detail. So now let's see what that looks like. This is always my most favorite part when stenciling. Isn't that cool? Now you could leave it just like this, but we're going to go ahead and add in that detail layer of the indentations, and I'm just coming in with a darker color than what I did with my base, but you could use the same color and just build up the intensity. And again, I am going to have the colors almost meet in the middle, just leaving a very, very small area that's mostly white. And this is just a really fun look. Let's see how it turned out. Oh my word, I love it so much. All right, now let's see the masks in action. So I'm just adding some temporary adhesive on the back of the masks, and I'm going to do the popsicle and the stick, and then I can add some ink all the way around this, creating a 1-layer card. So I'm going to use yellow and just make this a really bright and sunshiny card, and you can see how you could get lots of different looks and have lots of fun playing with this stencil because you have the stencils and the masks that you're able to use. So here's that card all complete with a sentiment, some splatter, a little bit of glaze there for a drip, and a bow to finish it off. And we also have some other cards for you to check out created by our design team, so you can have even more inspiration with this very cute stencil set. I thank you so much for stopping by the Trinity Stamps channel. If you would like more inspiration, we have a lot more videos on our YouTube channel, and you can also find us on Instagram and Facebook too. There's a few more videos on the screen that might pique your interest, and you can watch those next. Thanks for stopping by, and happy stamping. Bye!